in Chanhassen, Minnesota, serving listeners over parts of southeast Minnesota and western Wisconsin. The current time is 11:40 p.m. Central Standard Time. Accumulating snow and travel impacts expected Monday. The first widespread accumulating snow event of the season will begin across western Minnesota late tonight, spread east to the Interstate 35 corridor by mid-morning Monday, and then overspread western Wisconsin around midday. Snow totals of 1 to 3 inches are likely before the steadier snow ends Monday evening. Some patchy freezing drizzle is possible Monday night south of Interstate 94, with little or no ice accumulation. Expect the potential for significant travel impacts during the morning and short afternoon commutes. Drive with caution and give yourself extra time to reach your destination. Now